Come on into my kitchen. I'm going to be making Monte Cristo slider sandwiches. Here are the ingredients. And let me know if you guys know the difference between sliced Swiss or sliced baby Swiss. All right, you guys. So we have a cup of butter. We're going to melt it. And we're going to do 2 separate portions of this butter. So we have our buns, and we're going to take and slice it in the middle. The bottom half of the bun, we're going to take that red raspberry jam, and we're going to spread it all the way across. We're going to go ahead and grease our casserole dish, and you can grease it with vegetable oil, or you can use some spray, cooking spray. Preheat the oven to 350. And then the ham and the turkey, we're going to layer it on top of that. And then we'll layer the cheeses on top of the meat. And on the other half of the buns, we're going to take the top portion of the buns, and we're going to make a mixture, a creamy mixture that we're going to put on the inside of the top bun. So we're going to go ahead and take that half a cup of butter and go ahead and separate it into 2. Right now we have a quarter in each bowl of the butter. Now, the seasonings we're going to go ahead and start adding. We're going to add our mayo. We're going to add about 1 tablespoon to 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. We're going to add a tablespoon to 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard. And we're going to add a teaspoon to 2 teaspoons of the Worcestershire sauce. And once we get it all mixed up, we're going to add 1 egg. And then mix that egg. Okay, so now we're ready to go ahead and spread this mixture on the inside of the top buns. All right, so now we're going to put the tops onto the bottom parts, which has the meat and the cheeses. And the other half of the butter, now we're going to take some of it and rub it on top of the bun. All right, so now that we've got the butter on the buns, we're going to go ahead and prepare for the oven. The oven's already preheated to 350. We're going to put it in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes. Once it comes out of the oven, we're going to put more butter on top and then sprinkle a little powdered sugar, and we're ready to go. Oh, yes. Look at this. If you guys haven't already, subscribe and become part of the Oh Yeah Baby today. And share this recipe